Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Look, I kind of have y'all on an angle, not purposely, but this is because of how I got the tripod sitting. But I'm getting ready to put my rain guards back on. I usually go through a touch-free car wash, and I went through Fast Eddie's car wash way back, I don't know, December, January. And when I went through, I was going through and their dryers blew my rain guards off. And so I'm just getting ready to put them back on. I already cleaned around my window trim, and then I pulled the old tape off and I just applied some new tape on. This is my first time doing this myself. But hey, it's the first time for everything, right? So I'm just gonna lay them up here and try to kind of see where I want them to be. I think that's there. That's some glue from the other one sticking to it. When I went back to the car wash, they had found 2 of them, and I had already had another box of them. So I'm using some old and new. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on, and that's how that's gonna look. So start by taking this tape off the back. I'll pick that up in a minute. So just gonna stick that up there. Like this. Make sure that when I do actually stick them, I don't want them to bump the back door, because I'll be having one on the back door. Go to the other side. So I'll show you in a minute when I get them all done. Okay, so I'm getting ready to apply the one to the back door. Just want to line it up so to make sure that when you open this door, it does not click up against this, hit up against that one to make this one flop. And I think that was my problem before also. So let's see. Okay. got 2 done. Now I just need to do the end piece here. Here. Okay, so here they are. I put them back on. They just gotta be cleaned up on the outside. I did wipe the backs off and everything, but they were laying on top of each other. And so when I took that old tape off of some of them, kind of stuck here. So I'm gonna clean that off. So yeah, first time for everything, right? Okay. This is the tape that I used to put my rain guards back on. This is what they showed me at the auto place. And it says like number 2, and like when you flip it over, it's like it has 4 different types of tape. This is the only one it had. I went to 2 different stores, and so I hope it's strong enough. You know, I hope that it's strong enough.